This is your chapter test of online learning. You're first going to type your first name in the box here. You are then going to type your last name in the box here. You are then going to select your cycle number. Read each question and answer choice carefully. Number 1. What is the major difference between viruses and bacteria? Viruses can make you sick, bacteria cannot. Bacteria can be treated with antibiotics, viruses cannot. Or viruses can be trapped by mucus or neutralized by stomach acids, bacteria cannot. Number 2. What is the best way to keep your immune system healthy? Eat only organic foods, maintain a healthy diet and get plenty of rest, or keep physical contact with other people to a bare minimum. Number 3. The purpose of your immune system is to help germs invade your body, fight off sickness, or make your nose run. Number 4. The mucus in your nose and the acid in your stomach are both frontline defenses against pathogens. Which of the following is also a frontline defense? Your leukocytes, your T cells, your skin. Number 5. What is the difference between active and passive transport? Active requires energy, passive transport does not. Active transport moves molecules across cell membranes, passive transport does not. Or active transport involves oxygen and water molecules, passive transport does not. Number 6. The cell membrane is semi-permeable. What does permeable mean? Extremely thick, extremely thin, able to penetrate, which means go through. Number 7. The natural spreading of particles through a liquid or a gas is called dilution, diffusion, differentiation. Number 8. Which of the following is an example of diffusion? Rain falling from the sky, water freezing into ice, or sugar dissolving in a glass of water? Number 9. What might happen if the cell membrane did not have pores? Substances would not be able to move in and out, viruses and bacteria would be able to enter more easily, or cells would not be able to divide. Number 10. In what direction do particles naturally diffuse? From low concentration to high concentration, or from high concentration to low concentration? Number 11. An organism that can trap the sun's energy to make food through photosynthesis is called a zebra, a heterotroph, which is a consumer, or an autotroph, which is a producer. Number 12. The main source of energy that powers photosynthesis comes from New Jersey, zebras, sunlight, or all of the above. 13. Chloroplast found in the leaves of plants contains a green pigment called chlorox, mitochondria, chlorophyll. Number 14. The raw materials needed for photosynthesis to begin are water H2O and carbon dioxide, oxygen and glucose, or nitrogen and hydrogen. 15. Carbon dioxide enters the plant through holes on the underside of the leaves called stems, roots, stomata. 16. The glucose, sugar, that is created in photosynthesis is used for what purpose? Food, waste, glucose is not used. 17. Why do plants carry out photosynthesis? Plants carry out photosynthesis as a waste product. Plants carry out photosynthesis because they like to help humans. Or plants carry out photosynthesis to make their own food. 18. Which cells in your body undergo cellular respiration? Heart cells, skin cells, brain cells, every cell in your body. 19. In which organelle does cellular respiration take place? Nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies. 20. How do we get the glucose we need to power our cells? Breathing, exercising, or eating? 21. How does your body get rid of carbon dioxide produced by cellular respiration? Through your lungs, through your urine, through your sweat. 22. What are the products of cellular respiration? Carbon dioxide, water, and ATP, which is energy. Oxygen, lactic acid, ammonia, or water and amino acids. 23. What is spontaneous generation? The mistaken idea that living things can arise or come from non-living sources, or the correct idea that living things can come from non-living sources. 24. True or false? Francesco Redi and Louis Pasteur both carried out controlled experiments that disproved the concept of spontaneous generation. True or false? 25. Spontaneous generation is a mistaken idea because living things can come from non-living sources, or living things can come only from living things. Cells can only come from pre-existing cells.